I have found two incredible Bitcoin indicators, long-term indicators that are flashing right now. And based on them, we could see a new Bitcoin all-time high sooner than everybody is actually thinking. Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and today we're going to talk about the short-term outlook of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is pumping, Ethereum is pumping, and these two long-term indicators that I have seen today, that they are flashing a huge signal that we could see here pretty soon a new all-time high. So, but first of all, let's jump here into the Bitcoin chart. So here I am on the Bitcoin daily chart right now. So, and as you can see, we were trading here in this rising wedge. And in the last couple of days, we broke down out of that rising wedge. And yesterday, I had seen that we are potentially forming here a falling wedge. And now it looks like that we are breaking out of this falling wedge here to the upside. So what I wanted to show you here on the daily chart was that we are forming here potentially, you see this here, these three candles are called a morning star pattern. A morning star pattern is a reversal pattern or a bottoming pattern that we are changing the trend again. So we came here now out of a downtrend and now trending up again if we close this daily candle as it is right now. So, but let us have a closer look what's actually happening on the 1 hourly chart. So here on the 1 hourly chart, so you see here this falling, you can see this falling wedge here, and then we actually broke out of it here. So, and we also broke through a crucial resistance level, so which was former support, and that was this pink reddish line here. So, and we broke through it like nothing on the 1 hourly chart. So, and we continue to pump here higher. We get now here small rejection from our red resistance box here, which is not unlikely. But I believe that we will continue to pump it to the upside because, guys, if you remember, the technical target for the falling wedge pattern is the top of the falling wedge. So, and the top level is sitting here at $48,000. So we could see here a move all the way up to $48,000. Guys, and if you remember, yesterday or the day before, I cannot remember which video it was, yesterday or the day before, I had actually mentioned to you guys that there is a potential that we get down to $44,350 and that we will experience a bounce from there. That was, in my opinion, the most likely scenario, but don't take my word for granted. Let's look here short at the clip. So I believe that is the first level that might still hold and then we get a bounce from there. If not, then we have the next lower level at 44,368. Also here we have from there some support coming in. Then here we broke above it, and also from here we have also support coming in. So yeah, the last line of defense for me would be 44,368. That would be also the point where I would close my position. I would then basically break even with plus minus zero. And then I would stay on the sideline and actually watch if we get here a drop or reverse the upside and then just re-enter. And there you see, guys, it happened exactly as I had predicted it. We got the bounce from there and now we are going back to the upside. And if you are following me on my Twitter account, then on my crypto coach, then you have seen that I had said that I will double down on my Bitcoin trade and also open a second new position on my Bybit account when we break out of that falling wedge and see a 1 hourly close outside the falling wedge. And that is exactly what we have seen. So we always want to trade when we have confirmation that we are going here to the upside. And I have seen this confirmation for me, and that's why I opened here some new trades. Then one indicator that I wanted to show you guys, and that is here on the weekly chart, is the MACD. So the MACD is the moving average convergence and divergence indicator. So every time when we flip green here on the MACD, we get a buy signal based on the blue line and the red line crossing each other. So when the blue crosses over the red, then we get a buy signal. So, and this is happening here right now. Let me zoom in here a little bit. So there you can see it. The blue line is crossing slightly above the red one. and we're getting a green candle. So, and now comes what I wanted to show you guys. The last time when that happened, so yeah, 1 second. So the last time when we saw this happening was all the way back down here in April last year, slightly after the Corona dump. So, and what happened afterwards, guys? We ran to a new all-time high after we had the MACD flashing green. So, and we see now potentially the same thing playing out again here in the charts, where the MACD is flashing green, and every time when he is flashing green on the weekly, we have normally really juicy weeks ahead of us to make some nice profits on Bitcoin. Then I want to show you quick my open positions here. So here on Bybit, like I said, I open a new position here at $45,587, almost $1 million worth here of contracts in a position. So I'm right now up here $3,355, roughly 7%. So yeah, I'm really happy about this. And then here on Phemex, my Phemex trade, like I said, guys, I doubled down. This trade was before $300,000. Go back to my old videos and check. So now it's $600,000 worth of contracts, 13.44 Bitcoin in value. So, and you can see here, I'm also already 10% in profit right now, almost 0.2 Bitcoin. And guys, don't forget, on Bybit is happening the World Series of Traders. If you sign up still today, you can receive here $70 for joining our troop. The only thing that you have to do is you have to have a Bybit account, and then you go all the way down here to choose your troop. You search for AMCrypto, and then you click on join. Right now we're already 11 people. And remember, guys, if we win here something out of the $7.5 million prize pool, I will not take 1 cent for myself. I will distribute whatever I receive to everyone that is within our team. Now I want to show you also the other indicator that I was talking about. And this is the Bitcoin hash ribbons here on Glassnode. So here the green line is the 30-day moving average, and the blue line is the 60-day moving average. And then you have here in black the price, Bitcoin price action accordingly. So here you can see also every time when the 30-day moving average was crossing above the blue 60-day moving average, over a longer period of time, we had an increase in price here as long as the 30 stayed above the 60. So what does the hash ribbon? The hash ribbon gives us an indication when miners are profitable and when are not. So when we have a drop in the hash rate, then miners are not profitable anymore. Some turn off the machines and have also to sell some of their bitcoins that they are staking, or stashing. So, and when miners are profitable, the hash rate goes normally up or stays more or less stable. Because miners are profitable and making really a good amount of money here. So, and yeah, the hash ribbon reflects that. When we get here across from the 30 and to 60, that means the miners are profitable, and then most of the time also the Bitcoin price is going to the upside. So we saw that here in roughly June, July last year. So, and then also in December last year, when the price was going from 18,000 all the way up to 65,000. And now, guys, now we getting again across, and the 30 is aggressively going above here the 60. So, and normally when we get based on the last one here, normally we should expect here, because we are so close to $65,000, really soon a new all-time high. So let that sink in, guys. We should get here really soon a new all-time high. So I'm really stoked about this. So yeah, I'm really over the moon about this indicator flashing here. Let us then go back here into Ethereum. So here in Ethereum, we have also seen that Ethereum was trading here in a big rising wedge, and then also was breaking down out of it. So while we're breaking down, we are forming here this channel this downward trending channel. And within this channel, funny enough, Ethereum was also forming a falling wedge. So also this falling wedge broke out here to the upside. Let me zoom in. So, and this actually was a little bit more aggressive than the Bitcoin breakout here. So, and also here we moved across a crucial level here at $3,040 and stay for now above it. So, and here I can imagine that we go into the upside also all the way to the next target here of $3,180. So that would be the technical target here for this falling wedge. But beyond that, I believe that we can go much, much higher than that, because here also, again, funny enough, on the daily chart, we are forming the same candle pattern that we are forming also in Bitcoin. Again, a potential morning star. If we push here a little bit higher and get here at least to $3,100 and close the candle at that level, then we have a morning star pattern here. And from that pattern, usually we continue to move here higher. So, and yeah, we could see here also in Ethereum a new all-time high pretty soon based on this pattern. Yeah, guys, that's it already for today. Please smash up the likes. Yesterday you did an amazing job. I'm so grateful for everybody that smashed up the likes, but we are close to 1,000 likes, but not almost there. Let's smash here through 1,000 likes. So yeah, and don't forget, yeah, destroy the YouTube algorithm, smash the likes, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and as usual, guys, I will see you tomorrow.